In today's video, I'll show you how to install Trainer for Mad Max. Check my video description for this Trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Password type Trainer and then click on OK. Open the extracted folder and double click on the Trainer exe. Select this music icon to mute the music. And now you need to open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the Trainer. You need to turn on the numlock in the numpad and turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on the infinite ammo to show you guys it's working. Press the 3 key in the numpad and then get back to the game. And as you can see, the ammos are set it to 99. Infinite ammo cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.